Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. This is some of my chili leftover, and this is what I do for Bill when he wants a snack, and let me just show you that. These are scans, pork scans. They have no carbs. He likes to have this as a snack. So let me just add the other ingredients to it. This is the hot chili. I just took out of the microwave. I just take the chili and I pour the chili, this is hot, over the scans. It's kind of like nacho cheese kind of thing going on. And then I add sharp cheese to it. And I give it to him like that, and he loves it, just like that. It's a quick snack, and it's a keto snack, and he just loves it. If you like this recipe, like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.